Hi guys, another thing is happening often on GAELFORCE and cycling part. It's sometimes the chains on the bike broke, so the link just came off or just literally broke. I just want to go through like a quick, very handy tools to have on the road when you're doing GAELFORCE. Mine, it's obviously it's a multi-tool, but you could have just that little part, a chain tool remover. Literally, with that little part here, you might have to stock your chain link in it, and with your rest of it, just push it, and inside the link you have got a little pin, metal pin, which that tool will help to remove that little pin. And once your chains, once the link is it's out, you can move back your chain and put it back again. Literally, because of the derailleur, you don't really need, you can shorten your chain by one link if you need to.